Meaning of favourable.
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 Favourable. Favourable is an adjective that describes something as positive, beneficial, or advantageous. When something is described as favourable, it indicates that it has the potential to enhance a situation, improve an outcome, or promote success. For instance, a favourable economic climate is one where businesses thrive and unemployment rates are low. In a sports context, a favourable matchup refers to a matchup that is more likely to result in a win for a particular team. Overall, the term favourable is used to describe situations, conditions, or outcomes that are positive and desirable.